Hey everyone, it's Manny. Welcome back to another video. I made a decision to give back to the community. Every week, I knock on random people's door and surprise them with a free car wash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to join the journey. The owner of this vehicle just want to do the outside. So it's really dirty. You can see it from here. Yeah, it's been sitting here for a few days and look at all this. Really dirty. All right, let's start. Nice. Love it. All right, how about this side? Beautiful. Nice and shiny. All right. Here I called Lily to see how beautiful her car looks after being washed. Lily was so happy. Also explained her that I cleaned the wheels very well and gave her a little bit of wax for a shiny finish and to protect the paint. So, Lily quedó contenta. Así vamos a hacer las cosas, vamos a caminar, vamos a andar manejando en las calles. El carro quedó bien. Dice que me va a dar $5 de propina. Muchísimas gracias, Lily. Voy a tratar de hacerlo una vez a la semana y a lo mejor 2 veces. Muchísimas gracias y nos vemos hasta el otro video. Bye.